Aqedela kufa avuke kwangentseni logama abanye bakhethe ukuzivalela besoyika olunye udushe.
You need to send the army out here to patrol this area up and down like you have been doing level 3 and level 4 and level 5. Let the army come out here. They are scared of the army.
Now the situation is fine. I feel it good now, today. But yesterday is very bad.
Amapolisa bebonakala kakhulu kule ndawo kungekudala yaqala inkathazo. Abaqhubi beteksi babanyanzeleka ukuba baxoxe imigaqo.
Siyawara because bathatha imoto zethu ibank. Masikasebenza imoto zethu siyahamba. Ngeke sibavumele bayeze kanje because basiphazamisa ibhizinisi intini.
Ubundlobongela kugqithela kwezinye ingingqi zalelokishi. Kungekudala kuphinde kwabanjwa abanye.
The community is not supporting this call of stay away. The community wants to continue with their life. The community doesn't want to support lawlessness. They want to support law and order. So therefore, these taxis, as they drive around, if they come there before the police, they remove before the police came. So there's a greater collaboration today between the taxis and the police.
Uninzi lwamashishini abemi abangaphandle aluvulwanga namhlanje kusoyikwa uhlaselo. Amapolisa aseliliso apha. Dingo Criselda Lewis, Iindaba SABC, eAlexandra.